What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a beautiful POV test drive on this Mercedes-Benz. And turn signals, high beams. Woo, that's so cool. European cars in their cup holders, I swear. It only has one cup holder. Nice radio. Looks like everything is working, except for maybe my seat. I can't really adjust it that great, but it's still a very nice, really nice, sexy car. The pedals on it are a little weird, and I want to tell you guys that this is not our car. This is actually from Nino's Auto Sales and Repair. So he is actually a European specialist mechanic, and he also sells cars. It's got some light on it, BAS. I'm not sure 100% what that is. And it's got a wiper light and another, I think that's for my headlights. So someone did ask me where I get all my cars from, and some of them are from my friends. He is a mechanic and he does auto sales also, kind of like my competition, but he's just a really cool guy. But he lets me test drive his cars and I basically wash them for him. So it's a win-win for both of us. And honestly, I can't really speak on this car too much. I really don't know anything about it. So I'm gonna let the car do all the talking. It's gonna be an ASMR style. So I'm just gonna shush it right now. There is nothing to tilt my wheel. This is where the wheel stays. Ooh, it's bright. All right, guys, that's the video of this Mercedes-Benz. Woo! What an exciting car. Drove it for about 20 minutes and it got some corks and some screws and a little bit of things, a little bit of noises here and there, but it's an old Mercedes-Benz and it still runs really, really good. Sounds good, looks good, drives good. Really cool key too. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I'll see you guys next time.